Okay, so I'm just doing an unboxing video of the Apple TV 2nd Gen. So obviously you can stream content from your iTunes library on your Mac or PC, or even stream off your iOS device like your iPhone or iPad, or use AirPlay mirroring on the iPhone 4S or iPad 2 to wirelessly mirror whatever's on your iPhone or iPad screen onto your TV set. So it plugs in via HDMI, so I've got a HDMI cable over here. And let's just I've taken out the box, so let's just take the actual unit out, which is the top part here, and it's covered in a protective plastic layer. It is 1/4 the size of the 1st gen, and as you know, it's heavily focused on streaming. And beneath there you have an aluminium remote, the Apple TV remote. You also use the remote app on your iPhone or iPod to control it. And then we can lift this cardboard segment out here. So there we go. And underneath that we have the main power supply. The power supply is actually built into the device, but you just use a cord to plug it in and connect it, and it uses less power than a typical light bulb. So that's pretty good. And we also have a manual down the bottom for Apple TV, so setup guide right here. And of course, no Apple product is complete without Apple stickers. So we got some there, and another little manual which goes through legal disclaimers and more information. So that's what's inside the Apple TV 2nd generation box. As you can see, there's quite a bit there. It's $99 US or 129 AU, and there's quite a lot you can do with Apple TV. You can rent movies, obviously in HD or standard definition, on your Apple TV box set, and watch them back on your TV via iTunes. But yeah, that's just one of the many things you can do. So I'm just going to do a bit of playing around with this, and I'll review it a bit later. But yeah, there's the unboxing. So